Zimbabwe's vocal and militant opposition leader, Job Sikhala, returns home this morning after 126 days out of the country. Achipere mushe murizima kutona Job Sikhala odzoka nechimoto wamuza kuti akaspenda 595 days the pre-trial incarceration. Sarapina mashuka budai nyoko pana from the news hogs. Ubo subscribe ole kotna on the bell kuti pinda munyu kwa mchinzi. Sikhala left Harare on 15 March to seek medical attention out of the country after he had been released from prison where he had been incarcerated for 595 for allegedly inciting public violence in protest against the murder of opposition activist Mo Blessing Ali, killed in May 2022. Officials in Sikhala's new pressure group, National Democratic Working Group, yesterday first confirmed his return this morning. Later, Sikhala himself told the news hogs, "It's true, I'm coming back home tomorrow morning." His close allies say he is arriving at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport. Do mashuka takuigire panapa tuna aiwa Job Sikhala ano achitaura mashuka kuti aiwa is returning adzoka munyika yeZimbabwe achienda against the regime. In his address, the former MDC and CCC senior party leader and MP chronicled Zimbabwe's long history of human rights abuses, how Ali was brutally killed and how he suffered in detention at the hands of President Emerson Mnangagwa's regime. Mashoko atoona kuti aiwa Job Sikhala anorelata zvakaita kumashure achiti nawo adzoka on book. Now adzoka kuti achizofulfilla maaspirations evagari munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pekumuvha kuita Job Sikhala achienda ari mumuvhu yake movement yake ye National Democratic Working Group. Ina comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike chimwe on the bell.